All right then, back from London and moving on to fixing ham radio projects because the parts have all come in. Well, I ordered parts from somewhere in China, and these parts came in. They were this chip here, and now the Chinese chip is installed. This again is the driver chip that drives the output relays on the filter board. And I couldn't find this chip in the USA to save my life. And then I finally read that it's in China because the scrappers have been sent all this crap to scrap in China. And they yank the chips out and resell them. So the chip must have been socketed in China. Anyway, that's what happened. And they sold me 5 of these. They finally came in. It took it like a few weeks. This was stuck like in some customs agency in the USA somewhere. So these came in when I was gone in London. I ordered this chip from a seller in Petaluma, California, because I thought the other chip was not, I thought these were not going to come in ever. And this one seems entirely wrong. It seems to be a driver. I don't know if it's superseded or not, but anyway, I didn't want to risk that chip. And the one I had in there was where, I think it's this one here. This one I kind of hot dogged and thought, oh yeah, this will work. It's got better specs. And I put in this Toshiba chip thinking this is going to be the cat's meow. And it was more like a big fat cow. It didn't do anything. So now I'm putting this thing back together. Laborious, just stick everything back together and see what happens. Again, 10 meters and 12 weren't working, so let's see if this fixes it. Okay, so I'll put it back together. Next video, we'll see the result. Thanks for watching. Have a great Wednesday, April 23rd.